Dear students, welcome to my digital class. In this class, we are going to solve all the problems in exercise 1.2. First question. Fill in the blanks with greater than or less than or equal symbols. First one, 48,792, 48,972. Here both of the numbers have equal digits. So comparing the digits from the extreme left, the first digits are equal, the second digits are also equal. Look at the third digits. The first number has 7, the second number has 9. So 7 is less than 9. So the first number is less than the second number. So draw the less than symbol. Therefore 48,792 is less than 48,972. Second one, 12,48,654, 12,46,854. Here both of the numbers have equal digits. Look at the leftmost digits. The first digits are equal, the second digits are also equal, the third digits are also equal. Look at the fourth one. We have 8 in first number and 6 in second number. 8 is greater than 6. So the first number is greater than the second number. So put the greater than symbol. That is 12,48,654 is greater than 12,46,854. Third sum, 6,58,794, 6,58,794. Here both of the numbers are equal, so put equal symbol. Question number 2, say true or false. The first one, the difference between the smallest number of 7 digits and the largest number of 6 digits is 10. So let us check. What is the smallest 7 digit number? Yes, it has 1 in extreme left and 6 zeros to the right. So this is 10 lakh. So which is the largest 6 digit number? 9,99,999. Please observe, these two numbers are consecutive numbers, so the difference is 1. So what is the difference between the smallest 7 digit number and the largest 6 digit number? That is 1, but it is given 10. That is wrong statement, so write as false. Second statement, the largest 4 digit number formed by the digits 8, 6, 0, 9 using each digit only once is 9,086. Listen students, to form 4 digit number by using these 4 digits, what should we do? We have to arrange the digits in descending order. First write the biggest number among them, 9. Then strike out that number. Then 3 numbers are remaining. What is the biggest among them? Yes, 8. Write 8 and strike out that number also. Only 2 numbers are remaining. So 6 is bigger and 0 is the smallest among them. So 9,860 is the largest 4 digit number formed by the digits 8609. But it is given 9,086 as the answer. The real answer is this one. So that is wrong. So write it as false. Moving to the third statement. The total number of 4 digit numbers is 9,000. So let us check the answer. To find the number of 4 digit numbers, first we have to write the biggest 4 digit number. What is it? Yes, 9,999. And then write the biggest 3 digit number under it. After that, subtract the biggest 3 digit number from the biggest 4 digit number. So we get 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 9, 0. Bring down 9 as it is. So 9,000 numbers are the It is also given 9,000. So it is a true statement. Write true. Question number 3. Of the numbers 138 crore 67 lakh 87,215, 13 crore 76 lakhs 98,890, 8 crore 67 lakh 20,560. Which one is the largest? Which one is the smallest? So first consider the digits of the given numbers. The first number has 10 digits. The second number has 9 digits. The third number has 8 digits. So we have already known that the number which has more digits is the largest. So here the first number has the more digits, so it is the largest number. Write it as the largest number. 138 crore 67 lakh 87,215. So which is the smallest number? Yeah, the number which has less digits is the smallest one. In this given set of numbers, the third number has 8 digits, so it is the smallest one. That is 8 crore 67 lakh 20,560. Question number 4. Arrange the following numbers in the descending order. The given numbers are 1,28,435, 10,835, 21,354, 6,348, 25,840. So first write the given numbers as it is. So first consider the digits. This number has 6 digits. The second number has 5 digits. The third number also has 5 digits. The fourth number has 4 digits. The last number has 5 digits. What is descending order, children? Yes, we have to arrange them from the biggest number to smallest one. So first we have to identify which is the biggest one among them. So first one is a 6-digit number, second one is 5-digit number, the third number is 5-digit number, the fourth one is 4-digit number, the fifth number is 5-digit number. So which number has more digits? Yes, children, the first number has more digits. So you write the first number in the first place and strike out that number. Now we are having 4 numbers. Again we have to find out the greatest number among them. So comparing the digits, we have 3 numbers have same digits. So when comparing the 3 numbers, 10,835, 21,354, 25,840. It is obvious 25,840 is the biggest among them. So write it next, 25,840. So strike out that number also. So we are having 3 numbers. Dear children, it is very obvious this 4-digit number should come last. So we need not consider that number. Just compare these 2 numbers. Of these 2 numbers, which one is the greatest? Yes, 21,354 is the greatest. So write 21,354 next. So strike out that number also. Now we are having only 2 numbers. Of these 2 numbers, 10,835 has more digits, so it is the greatest. So write 10,835 next. Strike that number also. Here at last we have only 1 number left. So write the smallest number at last. Now we arrange the given numbers from the biggest to smallest. So it is the required descending order. Question number 5. Write any 8-digit number with 6 in 10 lakhs place and 9 in 10,000 place. So it is very clear, an 8-digit number will be in the form. It has 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place, 10,000's place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, crores place. So what is the condition? According to this statement, we place the number 6 in 10 lakhs place and 9 in 10,000 place. So the remaining 6 places are empty. We can put any number from 0 to 9 in 1's place. So I am going to put 8 here. In the same way, we can put any number from 0 to 9 in 10's place also. I put 7 here. We can place any number from 0 to 9 in 100 plus also. Here I want to place 0 here, and in thousands place any number from 0 to 9. I want to place 3 in this place, and lakhs place also I want to place 4. Listen students, in crores place we cannot put 0. We are having the option only 1 to 9. So put any number from 1 to 9. I place 8 in crores place. So my number is 8 crore 64 lakh 93,078. So my number satisfies the given condition. What is the condition? It should have 6 in 10 lakhs place. Yes, it has 6 in 10 lakhs place. And it should have 9 in 10,000 place. Yes, it also has 9 in 10,000 place. So we can write many numbers like this. It is one of the answers. Okay, dear children, please try to write your numbers by replacing these numbers yourself. Question number 6. Rajan writes a 3-digit number using the digits 4, 7 and 9. What are the possible numbers he can write? In the previous video, I have already taught how to write different 3-digit number by using the given 3 numbers. Here also we are going to use the same procedure. Keeping the number 4 in extreme left, I can write 2 numbers. First write 7 and 9, then write 9 and 7. Likewise, keeping the number 7 in extreme left, I can write 2 numbers, write 4 and 9 and 9 and 4. Like this way, I keep the number 9 in the extreme left. I can write 2 numbers 4 and 7, 7 and 4. So what are the possible numbers? 479, 497. The next set is 749, 794. The third set is 947 and 974. So there are 6 possible ways to write 3-digit numbers by using the given digits. Question number 7. The password to access my ATM card includes the digits 9, 4, 6 and 8. It is the smallest 4-digit even number. Find the password of my ATM card. Dear children, we know that an ATM card consists 4-digit number as password. What is the condition given here? The 4-digit number should be the smallest number as well as it is an even number. So to write the smallest 4-digit number, first we have to arrange the given numbers in the increasing order. To find the smallest number, we have to arrange these digits in increasing order. Which is the smallest number among them? It is 4. So write the number 4 as first. Then which is the smallest among them? Yes, 6 is the smallest number. Now we are having 2 numbers. Which is smaller number? 8. 8 is the smaller number, and write the number 9 at last. We formed the smallest 4-digit number using these 4 digits. So first condition is over. So what's the next condition? It should be an even number. Look at this number. It has 9 in 1's place. But an even number should have an even number in ones place. Write 9 in tens place, 8 in ones place. This is the smallest even number formed by these 4 digits. Question number 8. Postal index number consists of 6 digits. The first 3 digits are 6, 3 and 1. Make the largest and the smallest postal index number by using the digits 0, 3 and 6 each only once. So we have to find the largest postal index number as well as the smallest postal index number. The leftmost 3 digits are given, they are fixed. So we have to shuffle these 3 numbers in the remaining 3 places. So first, to find the largest number, we have to write these numbers in descending order. So write the number 6 here and 3 in the next place and 0 in the last place. Likewise, to find the smallest number, we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So 0 is the smallest number and write 3 next to it and 6 is the biggest. So this is 631. So 631, 630 is the required largest postal index number. 631036 is the required smallest postal index number. Question number 9. The heights in meters of the mountains in Tamil Nadu are as follows. The first mountain is Doddabetta. Its height is 2637 meters. Mahendragiri. The height of Mahendragiri is 1647 meters. The height of Anaimudi is 2695 meters. The height of Velliyangiri is 1778 meters. So let us find out the answers for the questions given below. The first question is, which is the highest mountain listed above? Look at these 4 numbers. All these numbers have 4 digits. Compare the leftmost digits. We find 2 is the biggest one. So when comparing these 2 numbers, the next numbers are also same. And looking at the next numbers, 9 is greater than 3. So 2695 is the greatest number. So the corresponding mountain is Anaimudi. So which is the highest mountain listed above? Anaimudi is the highest mountain listed above. The second question is, order the mountains from the highest to the lowest. First write these numbers in descending order. So 2695 is the biggest number. The next smaller number is 2637. Then 1777 should come next, and last write 1647. This is a descending order of the heights. So corresponding mountains are Anaimudi, next one Doddabetta, the third one Velliyangiri, the fourth one Mahendragiri. The third question, what is the difference between the heights of the mountains Anaimudi and Mahendragiri? So the height of the Anaimudi is 2695 meters. The height of Mahendragiri is 1647 meters. So we have to find out the difference between these 2 heights. We cannot subtract 7 from 5. So going for conversion, it will be 8. It will be 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 6 is 0, 1. So the difference between the heights of mountains Anaimudi and Mahendragiri is 1048 meters. Objective type questions. 10th one. Which list of numbers is in order from the smallest to the largest? We have to find out whether the given set of numbers are in ascending order or not. Check the first set. 1468, 1486, 1484. Here the smaller number 1484 comes after the bigger number 1486. So set not in ascending order. Let us check the set B. 2345, 2435, 2235. Here also a smaller number comes after the bigger number. So this set also not in ascending order. Next set 1,34,205, 1,34,208, 1,54,203. So all the numbers are in ascending order. So this is the right answer. So put a tick mark. Question number 11. The Arabian Sea has an area of 14,91,000 square miles. This area lies between which two numbers? So we have to find out. Let us check first answer. 14,89,000 and 14,92,540. Does 14,91,000 lie between these two numbers? Yes, children, it lies between these two numbers. So this is the right answer. The question number 12. The chart below shows the number of newspapers sold as per Indian Readership Survey in 2018. Which could be the missing number in the table? Look at the table carefully. The newspaper A was sold out 70 lakhs copies. The newspaper B was sold out 50 lakh copies. We don't know how many copies of the newspaper C was sold out. The newspaper D was sold out 10 lakhs copies. Do you know, children, how the rank is decided? Yes, the newspaper which was sold out more copies are placed in rank 1, and the newspaper which was sold out less are placed in the bottom of the ranking. So it is obvious the numbers are in descending order, that is arranged from the highest to lowest. So first number is 70, second number is 50, we don't know the third number, the last number is 10. So it is very clear, the third number will be in between 10 and 50. It should be more than 10 and less than 50. So which number satisfies this condition? Let us check the answers. 8. No, it is less than 10. But the condition is should be more than 10. B. 52. No, children, it is greater than 50. The required number should be less than 50. 77. It is also a wrong one. 26. Yes, children, this number lies between 10 and 50. It is greater than 10 as well as less than 50. So this is the right answer. Put a tick mark to it.